Today, I'll walk you through how to market Notion templates, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to showcase your Notion templates effectively so you can attract more users and enhance your creative portfolio. Let's dive right in. First, open your Notion page. This is your starting point where all the magic begins. If you're unsure where to find it, just look for the Notion app on your device or access it through your web browser. Next, click on Add a new page. This option is usually located in the sidebar. Think of this as creating a blank canvas where you can design your template. Once you've created a new page, click on Templates. This section is crucial because it allows you to access and manage your templates. It's like a toolbox filled with all the resources you need to build your Notion creations. Now navigate to My Profile. This is where you can set up your creator profile, which is essential for marketing your templates. Just like a business card, your profile helps others understand who you are and what you offer. After that, click on Become a Creator. This step is vital as it enables you to officially start sharing your templates with the Notion community. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. Next, click on Create a Profile. Here, you will fill out the necessary information to establish your presence as a creator. Think of this like setting up a social media account. It's your chance to showcase your work and connect with potential users. Once you've filled out all the required fields under Create a Profile, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial to ensure your profile is active and ready for others to see. Take your time with this. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Finally, once your profile is set up, click on Templates again. This is the part where you can market your created template. Here, you can add descriptions, images, and any other details that will help potential users understand the value of your template. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of marketing Notion templates. Remember, the key is to create an engaging profile and showcase your templates effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.